While a lot of women feel like DJ Sindla should be leaving her marriage as we speak, because even after all that defending she did, proof still came out confirming part of the allegations. Coach Noni's out here feeling like this should be a time when she holds on tight to her man. She should never leave. People are just jealous, that's all. Particularly the side chick who sent proof to blocks. She also went on to say that when it comes to Zulu men, they do not cheat. And DJ Sindla is in agreement with what Noni is saying because she responded to this saying, "Okay, sister," with laughing emojis. However, what is dangerous about cheating, that I'm even thinking contributes a lot to people leaving their relationships or marriages, is that not only is this person abusing you emotionally, they're also risking with your life. Because 99% of the time, people that cheat do not protect themselves. They put your life at risk. You stand to be infected with all this kind of diseases, from HIV, some types of cancers, ovarian, cervical, STIs, and the disrespect that comes with it. Family funds that are now being shared amongst side chicks. Did I mention the spiritual side of it, the soul ties? It's really dangerous being in a marriage or relationship these days. Like, let's just all stay single, okay? But hey, at the end of the day, people do make decisions that are best suited for them, you know. Otherwise, do take a look at what Noni is saying. Let's take it all to the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
DJ Zinhle ungayishiyi oyindoda yakho, ungawulingi uyidivorce indoda yakho. Yabona ke manje vele uyithanda kakhulu. Ongazi emaphephandaba isanda ukukhipha iproof ukuthi ihusband ka DJ Zinhle iyamchithela. Iproof ama-screenshots of ama-conversation, ama-screenshots of ama-video call, ama-screenshots of ama-Uber, nje kuningi. Yabo mina DJ Zinhle mina ngibona umona la. Yazini inkinga ukuthi wena nendoda yakho niyafanelana. Niyo DJ aba successful both no two, nibahle no two, niyafanelana. Yinhle nje into yeni iyancomeka. Why uside chick bezogijima kumaphephandaba akhipha iproof ukuthi yena betshela indoda yakho yena acela ukuthi bamgcine abe anonymous. Yena singamazi ukuthi uba. Awuboni ngani ukuthi ufuna ukuhlaza wena, ufuna ukuthi ishwa livelele wena, ngoba manje wonke umuntu uthi uDJ Zinhle ufabelwe ihusband yakhe, uDJ Zinhle ufabelwe ihusband yakhe. Ugele why yena engaphumisa imibuzo ukuthi befuna nendoda eshadile azagijime neproof yakumaphephandaba. Also why ezophuma neproof namhlanje yakumaphephandaba? Yini befuna imali? Yini befuna indoda yakho Zinhle ikushiye wena kubo yena uDJ Zinhle omusha thathwa yena? Uyabona ke manje njengoba ugele sekhiphile iproof kumaphephandaba ukuthi betshela nendoda yakho, even though indoda yakho ishade nawe, ungaqala indoda yakho uyitshela ukuthi kuphula inhliziyo bla 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 kwashacime futhi amalanga, kodwa bese niphuma endlini uvele uyibambe isandla, uvele uyithanda kakhulu, uvele uyithanda kakhulu lenhlobo eyisicefe ukuze ifebe nazi nalezi ezizayo zibone ukuthi shame. Lapho sokusimoshela isikhathi umshado lowa ophelele yinhle Zinhle into yenu usisi, futhi ngathi ngabusiseka, futhi indoda yakho nje ungakulingi uyishiye, futhi uvele uzibe kakhulu. Ozofika kuwena athi uZinhle islima, usenendoda yakhe ngisho umfebelile, uthi futhi sisi ngizotshela manje aqali ngawo futhi agcini ngawe. Kade amadoda bebafabela, kade amadoda bebafabela, futhi ke indoda yangesizulu ayifebi sokuyisoka. Sesingayishiya indoda yakho, vele uyithanda kakhulu, vele uyisupporta kakhulu, kuzodlula kuzovela kusheshe kudlule manje.